Hi everyone, my name is Sudhara Kasu. Today I am going to show how to use Entity Framework in ASP.NET Core application. Still you did not subscribe my channel? Please subscribe now. First of all, we need to know what is the Entity Framework. Entity Framework is an object relational mapper, which is a type of tool that simplifies mapping between objects in your software to the table and columns of relational database. Entity Framework is an open source ORM framework for ADO.NET, which is a part of .NET Framework. Next, we need to create ASP.NET Core project. If you need to some guideline to create project, please watch my previous video. Okay, let's start. I hope you have successfully created project like this. First we need to create database and go to SQL Server Management Studio and create a database. Right click on the database and select new database. My EFDB and click OK button. Okay, then we need to add table into our database. Right click on the table and click new table, and here you can add columns. Data type select as integer. Allow nulls and go to identity specification and change is identity no to yes. Because of identity framework must create auto increment column. Because of entity frameworks requires a primary key to generate a model from database. If there is no primary key on the table, it will simply select non-nullable column as a charactered primary key and the entity will read only. Okay, next column username, next column password, next column display name, and don't forget to set as primary key. Right, and save our table. Table name users. Good, you can see my table is created. Now I'm going to edit rows to my table. Username password 1 2 3 4 and display name password and execute. Well done, we successfully created our database and table. Next, I'm going to add entity framework to my project. Right click on the project and go to manage NuGet package, and here type Microsoft entity framework code. You can see latest version available 2.2, but we are going to install 2.11. Select 2.11 and click install button. Entity framework installed successfully, and additionally we want to add ASP.NET Entity Framework core tools. Yep. And here select version 2.1 and install. Yep, done. We have added a new Git package, and next create a model. So here we don't have model folder. I am creating new folder. Right here, add new class. Right click on the model folder and go to select class. My DB context and press add button. Okay. Next, inherit DB context class, DB context. Using Microsoft.entityframework.co. Okay. Yeah, public static string connection string get and set. Next, you must go to model class and add another class. User and click add button. And in this model I am going to add new properties. These properties must be same to my user table. First, I am going to create column public int my primary key. That's it. And here I add key. Then we try to system to tell what is the primary key of our table. Next, public string user and public string password get and set. Next, public string this in our table we created display name, but here I created model properties as the same. Next, add new annotation column. What is the table column? System.component.data annotation.schema. Actually, our column name is display name, like this. And here I'll add new annotation table. What is our table? Our table is users. Right, okay. Again, go to DB context. Here at public virtual here at public virtual DB set user get and set. Okay, well done. Next, I go to add protected override on configure free. Configure it. Open parentheses and inside DB context option builder. Context option builder option builder. Option builder dot server and connection history. Right. We have created our database context. Next, we need to check our connection whether correct or not. And go to that new folder, app code. Inside the app code, I go to add new class user management. And here I'll add new method public string because of I need to return my display name. I'll try to return my display name. String get my display name. Okay, put try catch exception yes. And here I'll add using my context new context return db dot user dot first or default. display right. Good. And next go to the home controller. Here at user management, object, new user management. And view back dot assign user manager object dot get display. Well done. Next we want to set connection string and go to appsetting.json, but you couldn't find appsetting.json. We need to add it. Right click on the project and go to add and select new item, and here type app. You can see appsetting files, appsetting.json, and click that button. Right, you can see local database connection, but we don't need local database because of we create external database. If you want to create local database, you can use that. Next we need to add new connection history. And here data source local host backslash SQL Express initial catalog such as database name or database entity FDB and user ID SA last password. Oh, my database name was wrong. Should be my EFDB. Next go to startup class, and here at public startup configuration. Using Microsoft extensions configuration, and here public configuration here configuration configurations done, and inside the configuration service add db context, my db context dot connection string configuration dot get connection string, and paste to a connection string name. Okay, let's look the result. F10 and F11, F10, 10 and 10. Okay, we successfully done our display name. You can see here Udara Kasum, and press continue. Okay, my display name is Udara Kasum. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Still didn't to subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments or any new idea, please write down below, and don't forget to click like button. See you next time. Goodbye.